Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can copy images and text to the clipboard from a web page on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. Then in here, go to the web page that has the image or text that you would like to copy. And to copy an image to the clipboard, simply touch and hold on an image. From the pop-up, go down and tap on copy image. Alright, if you want to copy the text, you can touch and hold on the text. Then once you are in selection mode, you can drag on the starter selection and end selection. And here I'm going to move this selection toolbar down to this part. So I'm going to select this paragraph here, and at the top here from the pop-up toolbar, tap on copy, and that is how you can copy the text to the clipboard. Now once it is copied to the clipboard, you can open up the clipboard by first open up another application, and then all you have to do is just place the cursor in a text field. So in here we can bring up the clipboard by I'm just going to close this one here. This one here will allow you to easily paste text from the last item that copied to the clipboard. So I can tap on that to paste, but you can see that it's only the text. There is no image in it. So what you want to do is to bring up the clipboard. So at the bottom here in the toolbar section, tap on the clipboard. In the clipboard, it will show text and images and any other items that you have previously copied to the clipboard, as you can see right here. Now what you want to do is place the cursor on the place where you want to paste the image. So here I'm going to paste the image. From that image you can also resize the image as well. But basically that is how you can copy images and text to the clipboard from a web page. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.